Hello, friends. Welcome to today's session. Today, we will learn how to remember every English word you hear. Many learners find it difficult to remember words. You may listen to English every day, but the words disappear from your memory quickly. Do not worry. Today, I will show you simple steps to remember words naturally, like a child learns their first language. We will follow 5 easy steps. First, we will listen carefully. Then we will speak and repeat the words. Next, we will connect words with their meaning. After that, we will write and review the words. Finally, we will use words in real life, so that learning becomes easy and permanent. Each step is simple, but if you practice every day, your English will improve quickly. You do not need to memorize anything forcefully. Your brain will remember words naturally. When you listen, speak, connect, write, and use them in daily life. So let us begin our journey to remember every English word we hear. Get ready to listen, speak, and practice English in a fun and friendly way. Chapter 1. Listen carefully. Good morning, class. Today, I will teach you how to remember every English word you hear. The first step is listening carefully. When you listen, you do not need to understand every word. You only need to notice new words and the way people use them. Every day, I listen to English songs, podcasts, or videos. I pay attention to the words that I do not know. Sometimes I hear a word many times, and slowly I start to understand it. You will also do the same. Listening often is very important. When you listen, try to hear the sound of the word. Words have sounds, stress, and rhythm. For example, when you hear the word beautiful, notice how it is pronounced. You can say it softly in your mind or loudly with your voice. This helps your brain remember it better. Do not worry if you forget words at first. Forgetting is normal. The more you listen, the more your memory will improve. I want you to listen to English every day. Even 10 minutes is enough. You can listen to your favorite stories, cartoons, or conversations. I will also give you a small activity. Today, listen to a short English video. Try to pick 3 new words. Do not write them yet, just notice them. Tomorrow, we will speak about these words together. Remember, listening is the first step. If you listen carefully, you will know many new words without memorizing. Your brain learns naturally, like a small child learns their first language. Listening is the key to remember words easily. Chapter 2. Speak and repeat. After listening carefully, the next step is speaking and repeating. When you hear a new word, you must try to say it aloud. Speaking helps your brain remember words much faster than only listening. Today, I want you to repeat 3 new words from yesterday. Take one word at a time. First, say the word slowly. Then say it in a short sentence. For example, if the word is delicious, you can say, "This food is delicious." By making sentences, you learn how to use words in real life. Do not worry about making mistakes. I also make mistakes when I learn new words. Mistakes are a part of learning. What is important is that you practice every day. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Try to speak in different ways. Use the past tense, present tense, and future tense. For example, yesterday the food was delicious. Today the food is delicious. Tomorrow the food will be delicious. This helps you understand how words change in different situations. You can also repeat words with actions. For example, when you say jump, you can jump. When you say run, you can run. Connecting words with actions makes your memory stronger. Even speaking to yourself is helpful. You can speak in English while walking, cooking, or doing small tasks. Your brain starts thinking in English naturally. Soon, you will notice that words you hear are easy to remember. Remember, speaking and repeating is the bridge between listening and using English. Practice every day. Slowly, speaking English will feel natural and easy. Chapter 3. Connect words with meaning. Now that you can listen and speak, the next step is connecting words with their meaning. Learning a word is not only remembering its sound or spelling. You need to understand it in real situations. For example, if you hear the word happy, do not just memorize it. Think about a time when you felt happy. Maybe you played with a friend or ate your favorite food. When you connect the word with your feeling, your brain remembers it faster. We can do this with all kinds of words. If the word is cold, imagine ice, snow, or a chilly morning. If the word is run, imagine running in a park. Pictures, actions, and feelings make words easier to remember. I will give you a small activity. Take 3 new words today. Draw a small picture for each word, or think of an action you can do with that word. Then say the word while looking at the picture or performing the action. This is very powerful. You can also connect words with stories. For example, if you learn delicious, make a small story. I eat a delicious apple every morning. Stories help your brain see words in context. Even when you forget a word, do not worry. Try to connect it with something familiar again. The more connections you make, the stronger your memory becomes. Remember, understanding words is more important than memorizing. When you connect words with meaning, your brain learns naturally. Slowly, you will remember words, not only when you see them, but also when you hear them. Chapter 4. Write and review. After listening, speaking, and connecting words with meaning, the next step is writing and reviewing. Writing new words helps your brain remember them for a long time. When you hear a new word, write it in a notebook or on your phone. Do not just write the word alone. Make a short sentence with it. For example, if the word is exciting, you can write, "Today is an exciting day." Writing sentences helps you understand how words are used. You can also make small lists of words. For example, you can write words about food, emotions, or actions. This way, your brain organizes words, and it is easier to remember them. Reviewing is very important. Every day, read the words you wrote yesterday. Then read the words from last week. Repetition strengthens your memory. Even reading for 5 minutes every day helps a lot. You can also review with a friend or in a group. Ask each other about new words and their meanings. You can make short quizzes or small games. This makes learning fun and effective. Do not worry if you forget words at first. Reviewing helps you recall them easily. The more you write and review, the more confident you become. Remember, writing and reviewing are the steps that turn short-term memory into long-term memory. Words you see, write, and review will stay in your mind. Slowly, you will notice that remembering words is becoming easier. Chapter 5. Use words in real life. Now you have learned to listen, speak, connect, and write. The final step is using words in real life. Practice is the most important part of remembering every English word you hear. Try to use new words when you talk to friends, family, or teachers. Do not be afraid of mistakes. For example, if you learn the word interesting, you can say, "This book is very interesting." Using words in conversations helps your brain remember them naturally. You can also write small stories or journals. For example, write about your day using new words. You can write, "Today I ate a delicious breakfast. Then I walked in the park. It was exciting to see the flowers." Writing stories makes your words active in your mind. Another way is to practice thinking in English. When you see a tree, do not say it in your first language. Say tree in English. When you feel happy, say, "I feel happy." Thinking in English connects your mind directly to the words, without translating. Even small actions help. While cooking, walking, or cleaning, describe what you are doing in English. For example, "I am cutting vegetables." "I am boiling water." Little by little, your English becomes a part of daily life. Remember, words stay in your memory only when you use them. Listening, speaking, connecting, and writing are important, but real-life practice makes learning permanent. If you continue practicing every day, soon you will remember almost every word you hear. English will feel natural, and speaking understanding, and writing will become easy and enjoyable.